Here, you see a systems approach to an instructional model. Let's break it down. Planning begins with some baseline data. You see 3 boxes in green. These refer to a common assessment given at least 3 times a year at the beginning, middle, and end of the year. This serves as a common point of reference to ensure that student progress is being made over the course of time. Many districts refer to this data as benchmark data. The yellow boxes represent short cycles of improvement, each cycle taking approximately 1 to 3 weeks, depending on the needs of your students. Here, you and your students will plan short-term learning goals. You'll instruct using specific high-yield strategies like the ones mentioned in the previous video. You'll take formative data and study the results together. That data will be used to make changes to the plan or to create a new plan if your goal has been met. These cycles will continue throughout the year, ensuring that our students are making growth based on intentionality, not by accident. Finally, you'll notice that the entire system sits on 2 major concepts: the environment itself and the people that we partner with to make the learning happen. If you would like more information regarding Maslow's hierarchy or the universals, please click the buttons next to this video.